Hi, my name is Olabisi and I'll be presenting my 12th exercise. This is my main code and this is my art class, my art design and the text.xml, my student class, multiply class, multiply text, multiply design, divide class, and divide text and divide design. And let's say 4, 2, multiply, and compute. Then it shows from multiply activity 4 times 2 is 8. Then when I click divide, it divides 4 divided by 2 and it shows me from divide activity. So what I added to this program is this add button. Whenever I click the add, it shows me I compute 4 plus 2 is 6, and it tells me from add activity 4 plus 2 is obviously 6. Thank you for watching.